Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you exactly how to install and use Google Colab Notebook and VS Code on your PC, step by step in the simplest visible way. If you are learning AI, machine learning, deep learning or Python, this setup is absolutely essential for you. So make sure you watch the video till the end. So first, what exactly is Google Colab? Google Colab is a free cloud-based Python notebook provided by Google. You don't need to install Python on your laptop. You don't need a high-end system. Everything runs on Google servers. And the best part, you even get a free GPU which is perfect for machine learning and deep learning. Beginners love Colab because it works on any laptop, no installation required. You just need a browser. You can run Python instantly. You can upload datasets easily. You can learn ML and DL without worrying about hardware. Now let's get started with the setup. Open your browser, Chrome, Brave, Edge, anything. Search for Google Colab. Click on the first link that says Google Collaboratory. If you are logged in with your Google account, it will open directly. Click New Notebook. This is your Colab notebook, ready to run the Python code. Let's run our first Python program. Type print hello from Google Colab. Click the play button. This is how simple it is. No installation, no setup, just write Python and run. Now show a basic ML example. Import numpy as np. X is equal to np.array of 1, 2, 3. Print x into 10. Colab already has libraries like NumPy, Pandas, TensorFlow, PyTorch installed. Next, let me show you how to upload files to Colab. Click Files and Upload. You can upload CSV, images, datasets, anything you want to use for your project. Now you can use this file in your code. Enabling GPU. This is one of the most powerful features of Google Colab. Go to Runtime, change runtime type, Hardware Accelerator, GPU. Click Save. Now your notebook will run on Google's GPU. This is super useful for deep learning, neural networks and image processing tasks. Show quick GPU check code to see if it is working. Import torch, torch.cuda is available. You should receive a true. Yes, here are a few quick tips for beginners. Keep saving your notebook in Google Drive. Use GPU only when needed. Keep your datasets small. Now let's talk about VS Code, one of the most powerful code editors for Python and AI development. VS Code is useful when you want to build full projects, you want to use local files. Search for VS Code download. Go to the official Visual Studio Code website. Click download for Windows, Macs or Linux. Install with default settings. Once installed, open VS Code. Before running Python, you need to install the Python extension. Open VS Code, go to extensions, search Python, and install. Now let's create a new file called demo.py. Type print hello from VS Code. Run it. You can now write full projects, Flask apps, ML models, anything you want, and here is your output. Hello from VS Code reflected on the terminal. Here's a quick comparison. Both are important. You will use Colab for learning and VS Code for real project. That is the only difference. So this was your complete beginner friendly setup for Google Colab and VS Code. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more AI and Python tutorials. Comment below Colab setup done, so I know you have successfully completed it. Do not forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends. See you in the next AI video, and don't forget to subscribe for more AI and Python tutorials. And also do not forget to comment below Colab setup done. Thank you.